Boom. 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 Why are you moving so slowly? Oh my gosh. Yay! I have food. I gotta put all this food inside. Just in case you lock the door. Mom, lock the door, please, because I'm doing a video. Okay. So I'm gonna put all of this in here because this is my room. It's my room. Okay, so I have nothing to make my underground secret house, but I need to work on my garden. But I need to definitely work on for the whole day. Oh, sheep! Hi, sheep. I gotta get you because I want some wool. And I can want to know what. And I think oh, there's chicken, another sheep. Okay, I gotta kill you, sheep, because I want my food, 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 food. Okay, I look horrible, killing all sorts of animal. Oh, I got chicken and a feather. I'm getting all sorts of things. Oh, there's another sheep and another cow. Oh, there's a baby cow. I have a problem. Baby cows run. They run very fast, and it gets me sick in a minute. They run so fast. So I will have a ton of stuff in my chest. Oh my gosh, it's not gonna kill it. I'm just giving up. A baby sheep. So I'm gonna put all of this in my chest. Okay, I'm just gonna put this all in my chest, and I will see you guys.
Cover my food.
He said cover his food. I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye. Bye, guys.